Hello and welcome to Viceless. Today, we are diving into the world of Midjourney's parameters. These little tweaks can unlock a whole universe of possibilities in your image generation process. So, let's roll up our sleeves and dive right into the parameter list. The power of parameters. Parameters are like the secret ingredients in your creative recipe. They are options that can be added to your prompts to influence how your images are generated. Whether you want to adjust aspect ratios, experiment with styles, or fine tune quality, parameters are your key to customization. Number 1. Aspect ratios. Let's start with the basics. Aspect ratios come into play with the dash dash aspect or dash dash AR parameter. Change the shape of your generation canvas to suit your vision perfectly. Number 2. Chaos. Whenever you are craving a touch of chaos, the dash dash chaos parameter steps in, dialing up the uniqueness and surprise factor. Number 3. Swift and relaxing modes. Need speed? Meet the dash dash fast and dash dash relax parameters. They can override your current settings for a single job, either turbocharging the process or ensuring a more leisurely pace. Number 4. Crafting your image suite. Ever wished you could balance your image and text prompts more effectively? That's where the dash dash IW parameter comes into play. It adjusts the image prompt's weight relative to text, resulting in a harmonious blend. Number 5. Saying no to elements. Negative prompting is a breeze with the no parameter. If you want to remove specific elements from your image, let's say plants, you can simply use this parameter to achieve your desired results. Number 6. Quality versus time. Quality matters, and the quality or dash dash Q parameter allows you to choose how much rendering quality time you invest. Higher value result in stunning details, while lower values save on GPU minutes. Number 7. Repeated renditions. Wish to explore different possibilities from a single prompt? The dash dash repeat parameters got your back. Run multiple jobs with ease and quickly iterate through various outcomes. Number 8. A dash of style. Changing your creative flavor is simple with the style parameter. Whether it's switching between Midjourney model versions or exploring the Niji model versions, your desired style is just a parameter away. Number 9. The Stylize Spectrum. Embrace Midjourney's aesthetics with the Stylize or dash dash S parameter. Adjust its influence to see how strongly the default aesthetic style is applied to your images. Number 10. Crafting patterns with tiles. Creating seamless patterns becomes effortless with the tile parameter. Generate images that can be seamlessly repeated, taking your designs to a whole new level. Number 11. Turbocharge your creativity. Craving speed? The turbo parameter takes things up a notch. Override your current setting and experience a single turbo job in turbo mode. Number 12. Unveiling the weird side. Feeling adventurous? Uncover unexplored aesthetics with the weird parameter. Dive into the experimental zone and discover the unexpected. Elevate your creations with parameters, and there you have it. Midjourney's parameters are your tools to craft art as unique as your imagination. Adjust aspect ratios, fine-tune styles, and explore uncharted territories with ease. Remember, these parameters are like the artist's brushstrokes. They shape your creation's essence. So, go ahead, experiment, and let your creativity soar. Thank you for joining us today to unravel the magic of Midjourney's parameters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which parameters you are most excited to try. Until next time, keep creating and keep innovating.